What's up, folks? This is Big Mike from Excellent Seattle Beauty. Let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever you ready to go out on a job, you load up all your equipment, you jump in a van, you get to your job, you get in a groove, you vacuum, you get everything prepped up, you plug in your shampoo machine, and nothing happens? Or the water won't spray out, or it's not getting hot, and then you can't finish the job? That's a bummer, right? Stops you from getting your money, slows you down. It might even make you late for other jobs that you got to do, and you may not be getting the best results. So yeah, this machine is giving me problems. I don't want to have that problem, so I'm taking it to the shop right now. When I get there, I'm gonna talk to the guy. I'm gonna ask the professional the best things we can do to keep our machines operating in the optimal condition, what to do, what not to do, and what we can do to maintain them on a regular basis, so that we all never have that problem. So come on this journey with me.
Excellency. 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 Auto beauty.
So I got a total of 4 machines. Just gonna make my 5th one. It's gonna be my ace in the hole. But I just got a whole little training session on how to maintain them.
So only 1 scoop on every tank. So you put 1 scoop, it fills up, empty it with the dirty water. 1 scoop, wait for the next one. Scoop every time.
Okay.
So that will kill the foam.
Okay.
Okay.
So if they set up the machine to do the job, they put 1 scoop every time.
Every time before.
So if one guy used the machine and he drained the water, the next guy to pick up the machine, he makes sure it's a fresh scoop in there.
Yeah, if they're gonna pick it up again, 1 scoop every time. Fresh
every
scoop.
time, right?
Fresh scoop for every fresh water on the dirty water tank.
Every time
in the black tank.
Every time you fill up the fresh water.
In the black tank, for the black goes in the black tank, in the dirty water.
So the water goes in one way and come out the other.
Correct. And the one that comes from the other one is from your tool for the hose that you have.
Oh, wait, say that again?
The one that comes out is the one for the tool, the hand. Okay. If this one has started making noise, you might have some air in there.
Okay.
So try to purse it.
Okay.
If air doesn't come out, that means it's going to go out.
Okay, so how do I try to prime it?
Prime it.
Wow.
You're going to run it with water and let it run for a minute, and you find out if it's working or not fine.
Okay.
After a minute, it will take the air out. It will spit it out.
Okay.
Now, with this one is making noise, it's gonna go out. Definitely it's gonna go out. If it's not making noise and if you open the machine and the thing's making a spark, that's it. That's you gone.
Okay.
Now, this one gets damaged.
Okay.
Because if the machine gets overflowed, that black pipe that I show you, it's connected right here, look, right here. So if there is no water coming out, maybe the foam, the soap foam, it goes little by little into the pipe. It transforms the condensation into water.
Okay.
And it goes in here, and it rots it and it ruins the motor. That's how they get rid.
Okay.
So you have to use a defoamer in the machine, so don't create foam and don't overflow the machine.
Okay.
Because if you overflow it, you're gonna ruin this one.
Okay.
And don't ruin these guys, the machine, never without water. If you run out of water, tune it off, or right before you run out of water, be sure you always have water in there.
So this one get damaged because you run out of water?
Yes.
This one get damaged because you overflowed the water?
Yes.
So if we stop doing that.
I can show you that right now, so you go look into your video. You've been going a lot of water over here already. That's already overgone. So the foam goes in here, and it goes there a little and goes into the motor.
Okay.
It burns it.
Yeah.
Because power goes in
so
there.
the water don't have to go, just the foam, and when it turn back in the water and drip down in there, it make it damage over time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Makes sense. That makes good sense.
And then what I told you can do is you can put a little scoop. You never bought from me defoamer.
Defoamer, yeah.
You have no buy it, defoamer.
Yeah. I bought it from you before.
Have you?
Yeah.
So I would recommend you put 1 scoop, the little scoop, 1 scoop and one scoop, even if it's empty.
Okay.
So even if it's empty, don't worry about it.
Okay.
So what happened is
How often? How often I put that?
every tank.
Every time I use it?
Yeah.
Every day. Every day. One
Every
scoop.
tank.
Every what?
So if I'm using this tank 10 times, I'm gonna put 10 scoops.
Okay. Every time.
One
every
scoop on each use.
So each morning I need to put one in there.
Yeah.
When they take them out before they put it in water, they put.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's say it's empty right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna put one scoop, and then say leave it. So I'm gonna go to 1 car or 2 cars, and this gonna fill out. I'm gonna dump the water, right? So I'm gonna start over again. So another scoop.
Okay,
Every
okay.
empty, every tank,
Okay.
empty tank, 1 scoop.
Okay.
So
for sure.
that will protect the shit to go over
Okay.
and destroy your motor.
Okay.
So, I hope you guys liked this video. Tune in next week. We're gonna talk about what you can do on a weekly basis to keep your machine running optimal. If this video was educational to you, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe so that you can get the new content that we put up weekly. Leave a comment of what you would like to see. Thank you for watching.
Excellency. Auto beauty.